Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added a new feature right now that if you have posted a photo or a Carousel post, now you can change the audio of such post. Before this option was not available, but now you can do it. So how to change the audio, how to use this feature, I will show you in my mobile screen. Select the post and click on this two line, and here you have to select the option as edit, and this songs is already there. Click on this arrow and select the song you want to select the new one. So once it is selected, click on arrow, click in this done, and here you can see the songs is changed. Before it was Sukoon, and now it is, you can see, Until I Found You. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.